You don't sell someone a new opportunity until you've unsold them on the old thing that they've been doing. Once we've sold them against what they've been doing, they've already cut off, I'm never doing what I've been doing again. Beautiful. That's the transition into pitching. And we now show them the new alternative. And that's what we're doing in the discovery, unselling them on how absurd and stupid it's been, what they've been doing and how much it's cost them. And are they really willing to pay that price another day? Okay.
Oh yeah, I think 100%.
Okay. So,
By the way, I'll give you an example for you folks. That's like, I don't sell you on how much better scriptless selling is and self-actualized selling. I sell you on the fact that your sales calls are boring as fuck. Your sales calls, you get on the call and you know, and the prospect knows, and the prospect knows that you know, and you know that the prospect knows you're having an inauthentic conversation. You get off the sales call, and not only did you not close the deal and not make the money, you know you deserved to not be closing the deal and not making the money. And that's what really bothers you. It's not just, oh shit, I didn't close the deal, but I did everything right. I was authentic. I was genuine. I had a deep conversation. I've been a leader. I've been investing in myself. No worries, just a random occurrence. This prospect didn't want to buy. The thing that really bothers you is you get off that call and you know inside your heart of hearts, you didn't close the deal because you aren't showing up the way that you need to close that deal and deserve to close it. You also know that your sales calls are doing nothing for you in your entire sales life or sales career. It's doing nothing for you in the way of personal development because you're just memorizing things and role-playing practiced, scripted questions and word tracks. So I am never selling you on, oh, scriptless selling and self-actualized selling is so much better. I'm selling you on the fact, are you really going to keep hating your sales calls, deserving to not close, knowing you deserve to not close, and looking yourself in the mirror when you don't close, not living in the house you want, not having the watch you want, not retiring your parents, which you fucking promised your parents you're going to do? All of those things, are you going to keep doing that another day? Or are you fucking done with that? When you're done with that, then come and join our mastermind. If you want to keep doing that for another day, another week, another month, keep doing that. Makes no difference to me. It is you that is paying the price every 24 hours that you don't come aboard. So you see how it looks in real example. I'm never selling you. Oh, do you think if you knew how to sell without a script, you'd enjoy selling more? No, you'd never hear me say that in content. It's how much do you hate selling right now that your calls are boring, repetitive, have no personal development, are inauthentic, and are not congruent with the fact that you want more of your prospects than you're willing to show up as yourself. And if you have a conscience, you hopefully will not want to pay that price another day. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.